Not sure how long I still record for, but I'm installing the X-Lume badge. So I grounded it there, right here. I'm about to hook it up into the fog light switch there. It is over here. All I did, took the wires, wired up through here. Should be good, shouldn't be in the way of anything. And went under the headlight here. I might have to move that so it clips back on. There we go. A little better. And pretty much it. Pretty easy install actually. For me, the hardest part was taking off the stupid bumper, and I couldn't figure out how to get the screws that go right over here. How to get them out without taking the wheels off. Highly recommend taking the wheels off. Definitely will if I ever do this again. And I don't know what's keeping it together, but for some reason it won't come off completely. But thankfully, it's all I needed to get this in there. So I'm gonna do with what they provided. I don't know how well you guys can see this. And it's not shady because it's about 8 degrees out here, but positive. Test it out. Is it this? Turns on. Positive is this, not black one. Kind of assumed, but always better safe than sorry. Oh shit. Stick back in there real quick. So I provided this little guy. This is like a needle. So I'm gonna do is stick it through and hope I get it. And then kind of put the cap on and call it a day. This is a little easy said than done, huh? There we go. I'm just gonna set the camera over here so I can make sure. There it is. Looks like now, so I just got it through there. Well, actually I put kind of the cap on first and then screwed this into it. Made it a lot easier. But, as you can see, that's it. Whenever my fog lights are on, see if I can plug the other one in real quick. Let's see, fog lights are on. That's it. Didn't record the whole thing because it was just not pain in the ass, like I said, without taking the wheels off, so didn't do that. That's it, guys. The install of the badge itself was less than 5 minutes. The move over the bumper was first time, didn't have the right tools or anything. 3 hours. So, yay me. All I gotta do is put the backing plate on. I guess I'll try and record that. It's this. The washers and nuts to keep it in place. What I'm gonna do is down through. Maybe. Let me see where it's at. There it is. This is why I want to take the bumper off for this part so I can see what I was doing. Camera said I had 8%. I'm surprised it's still recording. what it looks like at night. I think it looks good. I think I chose a good spot. What do you guys think?